Hi, I'm Efi Davies, International Artistic Director for Tony Guy and LABEL.M. And today we're on set shooting the new LABEL.M campaign 1819. Today I work with Goda, beautiful, gorgeous model. Her hair is quite medium to fine texture, super long, and basically my aim was to make it much fuller. So in order for me to create full hair, I applied some protein spray into the hair, even out the porosity, and then do a nice even application with a volume foam. I use the heat because it's a heat activating product. I blast right it throughout, and I use the medium natural bristle brush in order to create a smooth finish. So what I did is I separated the hair with a profile parting, 2 sections in front of the radial and then 3 behind the radial. From there, I brushed with a grooming brush the hair, applying a little bit of Miracle Fibre, starting from the ends all the way to the roots. And then I use the beautiful wands in order to create that nice yet seamless wave. From there, I just literally brush it out and I use a tiny bit of the weightless hairspray.